Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on how to fix the error message 4151. So what is this error message? So we can get this error message while using the Nullif function in your code, SQL code. So this is the message. The type of first argument to Nullif cannot be null constant because the type of the first argument has to be known. So this is the error. So when we got this error, so before that you need to know what is Nullif. It will take two arguments, okay, arg1, arg2. If the two arguments are same, it will return null. If the two arguments are not the same, it will return the first argument. So this is about the Nullif. Okay, so I will show an example. Select Nullif. So I am giving the first argument is 1, second argument is 0. Okay, if you execute this one, it will return 1. It will return 1. If we mention both first and second argument are same, so it will return null. Okay, if the both arguments are same, it will return null. If the both arguments are different, it will return the first argument. This is how this null function will work. How this error will come? So if your first argument is null and second argument has value, so it will throw error. See here, message 4151 level 16. The type of first argument Nullif cannot be null constant because of the type of the first argument has to be known. First argument, it should not be null. Okay. If you mention the second argument also null, same error. How to handle this error? Even in this example, how to handle this error? So null means there is no value. It is showing empty set. Now I want to convert this null as integer. Okay, Nullif cast null as integer. So I am converting this null into integer and I am executing this one. Now you cannot get the error. So by default, if you apply Nullif function, the first argument should not be the null. If the first argument is null, it will throw that message, error message. So here I am giving the first argument as null and second argument as 100. So it is giving some error message. So if we pass the first argument as 100 and second argument as null, it will return 100. So that means your first argument in the null should not be the null. So if your first argument, you have to give the null value in the first argument. First you need to convert the null into integer and then you can apply Nullif condition. So here, so I am taking 100. So first value is null and second value is 100. But before that, I used to use the cast function to change this null as integer. Okay. Now if you apply this one, you cannot get any error. If you cannot cast or convert the null value, okay, if you execute this one, it will throw error. If you want to fix this error, you need to apply either cast or convert the null value into integer so that you can overcome this error. So this is how you need to fix the error, this 4151 error. This error will came across while you are using Nullif function in your SQL code. Okay. This is how you need to fix the error. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.